Hey guys, this is Hussein. In today's video I will show you how to add the liquidity in the Pancakeswap pool. So first you have to go on to the Pancakeswap website, right? And first of all, the first thing you need to do is you need to connect your wallet with the website. So you can do it with the MetaMask or some other options as well. So I'll make another video how to connect with other options. So in today's video let's try with the MetaMask. So when you try with that, your MetaMask will open and it will ask for your confirmation. Obviously you have to select which account you want to. If you have more than one accounts, you select that which account you want to connect with, right? So I'm connecting my this account, right? Okay, so in this account I have some tokens. Okay, first let's see that how many farms are available. So let's see how many liquidity pools are available here, right? So let's get to the farms here. So you will see that there are quite good LPs available here. Let's see that which one is good for you. Let's say okay, you can actually sort them with APR, right? So the APR tells you that how much return you will get if the, of course, if for the 1 year, if the APR stays the same, right? So that's the condition here, right? So maybe let's try with the, I think if we sort it by the hot one, so you will see that the cake BNB is the hottest one because too many people are putting their liquidity into this, and also it has a 40x multiplier. So let's have some let's buy some cake and PNB to add some liquidity in this pool, right? So first you need to go into the trade section, right? You need to make sure that you have enough BNB and cake available, right? So let's do this. Let's see which token I have available right now. If you go to the trade token, so it will automatically put the tokens that you have in your account at the top. So I have some USDT available, right? So I want to convert. Make sure you need to actually convert both into the same amount, right? So you need to have some WBNB, so that's a wrap BNB, because you will not able to add BNB directly into the cake BNB pool, but you need a wrap BNB, right? So let's, for the testing, let's do the small amount of $1. So against $1 I will be actually getting around this amount of wrap BNB, right? So of course it is already approved from my account, so it might ask you to enable first, right? So mine is already enabled, so I just need to swap, right? So if the price is updated, I accept the price change and I confirm the swap, right? Now the MetaMask will open and will ask my permission to confirm this transaction, right? So I'm just confirming this transaction here. Okay, this is confirmed, right? Okay, so now I have some amount of BNB. Now let's do the same and buy some cake here, right? And for the cake I'm also spending $1, right? So I'm getting around 0.134 cake. Mine cake is already approved as well, so you don't see any enable here, but on your screen you might see enable. So I'm just going to swap here, right? So I'm again confirming the swap. The MetaMask will open up and will be asking for my confirmation, right? Okay, yeah. So okay, so I'm confirming the transaction. Okay, it is confirmed, and I will get some balance here. It will update very soon. Okay, yeah, I have it. So the transaction, I've got the transaction receipt, and you can see the balance here, right? Now you need to go to the farms here, right, and select this cake BNB farm. Yeah, so first you have to enable this farm, right? Okay, let me enable this. It might ask you some fees for enabling this farm here. Okay, so it is asking for me $0.08, right? So I confirm this. Okay, this farm is enabled now. Okay, so this is actually the staking contract. First I need to make some liquidity, right? So how we do that? First of all, I need to find if there is any, so I do not have any LP tokens right here. So first I need to add, let's say from here I need to select the cake, and from here I need to select the wrap BNB, right? Okay, so I'm adding some liquidity in the cake and wrap PNB. Okay, so I want to add the maximum of it, right? So I want to add the maximum cake. Obviously it will take around maximum from the PNB, so I can either select this maximum or this maximum. It will automatically fill the other one. So let's do this WPNB maximum, right? Okay, it says insufficient cake, so if I say max cake, so that is fine. Now I can supply. I'm confirming this transaction right here. Okay, so I have confirmed my liquidity for the cake and the BNB token, right? So obviously whenever someone will be doing the trading between cake and WBNB, like converting BNB to cake or cake to BNB, I will be getting some transaction fees. So the transaction fees on the Pancakeswap is 0.25% per transaction. So, and that transaction fees is divided between all the pool holders, right? So I'm one of them, so I'll be getting some part of that fees, right? Okay, and let's get back here and confirm. Okay, you see, so this is the liquidity I have right now, right? So I have around this much of cake and this much of BNB, and obviously my share of the pool is very small. It is less than 0.01% of overall liquidity in this pool. Let's go to the farms now, right? So we have already enabled this farm, so we just need to click on the stake LP. So that is the extra income. So you earn from the fees, that is 0.25%, and if you stake your LP tokens here, you get extra 35% for that, right? So I'm staking maximum whatever I have. So the annual ROI is around this. If I open this, so for example, my balance is around this, right? And how much it will be in 30 days. So in 30 days I'll be getting, sorry, this is for the compounding, so I want to compound every day, right? And if I do like for 5 years or 1 year, so I will be getting this much amount over my 1.9 dollars of liquidity, right? So I'm just confirming this transaction here. Okay, here it is. Now it is confirmed, right? It will be confirmed in a moment. Okay, I have it here, right? So it tells me that how much liquidity I have staked. So I have staked around 0.018, right? If I want to add more, I just click on the plus sign. If I want to get rid of some, I can get rid of all of it. So I can just do the minus. I do the same thing. First I have to unstake this LP, right? And after doing that, I need to go into the liquidity, right? And you won't see any actual liquidity here. Once you have staked your liquidity, you won't see anything here. So first you have to unstake your liquidity. After that you come here, you will see your liquidity here. Then you take out the liquidity, and then you get the two separate tokens. So that's how it works. So I hope you like the video, and of course if you need more educational videos like this, just mention that in the comment section, or you can message me as well. Hope you guys find this easy to do. And yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.